Well, nearly a third of children are obese or overweight in Minnesota, according to state statistics. But instead of promoting health in clinics, physicians are taking to the kitchen. For this week's Community Spotlight, Jamil Donna tells us how cooking classes are teaching healthy eating for kids.
Pizza 101 ways.
It's health care in the kitchen.
So we're going to put in a couple of cans.
Instead of a doctor's visit at the clinic, these Sanford Bemidji physicians are caring for patients by cooking.
I can sit there and talk until I'm blue in the face at my clinic, and it just doesn't get through. But if I'm here and I'm actually cooking and I'm serving, I think that makes much more of an impact.
Take some butter, some parsley.
And today's class, healthy cooking for kids.
If we don't dramatically change how we eat, is the first generation that's not going to live as long as their parents.
The course teaches parents how to quickly prepare healthy meals on a budget.
We usually eat out.
You can eat healthier on a budget, and it's actually better than eating the junk food that we do.
Part of eating healthy is shopping healthy, and one main component of that is learning how to read labels. And the trick is, if you look on the back of the label and you can't pronounce it, it probably isn't good for you.
The more we talk about it and the more we're present, and especially at a class like this where we can eat too and show what we love to eat, I think the more benefit.
But what if kids don't want to eat healthy? These clinical cooks say diligence and disguise can resolve that age-old dilemma.
It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it can be very delicious.
So rather than a lecture, doctors are teaching by demonstration.
Would you eat that again if your mom made it? Yes. Awesome.
Oh, it's way more important than prescribing medicine.
Cooking is more healthy than eating out.
That way, parents learn to lead by example.
I want to try to, break the cycle of the overweight.
Fighting childhood obesity with food that's mom and kid approved. For this week's Community Spotlight, Jamil Doneth, Lakeland News.
And Healthy Cooking for Healthy Communities will have classes geared toward college students and healthy eating for men in the fall.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.